Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to control Google Chrome audio focus behavior, step by step, updated for 2026. Audio focus issues happen when one tab pauses another or background audio stops unexpectedly. First, open Google Chrome and go to Settings arrow Privacy and Security arrow Site Settings arrow Sound. Make sure Sites Can Play Sound is enabled. Next, scroll down and check Allowed and Blocked Sites. Remove trusted websites like music players or meeting tools from the blocked list, so Chrome doesn't mute them automatically. Now control audio at the tab level. When a site is playing sound, right-click the tab and use Mute Site instead of muting individual tabs. This gives Chrome better long-term audio control. Next, check Chrome flags. Type Chrome://flags in the address bar and search for audio or media session. If any audio-related flags are changed, reset them to default. Wrong flag settings often cause audio interruptions. Also review extensions. Go to Chrome://extensions and disable audio boosters or media control extensions. These can override Chrome's built-in audio focus system. Finally, restart Chrome to apply all changes. And that's it. By fixing sound permissions, managing site settings, resetting audio flags, and removing conflicting extensions, you can fully control Google Chrome's audio focus behavior. If this guide helped you, like the video and subscribe for more step-by-step Chrome tutorials. Thanks for watching. Hey everyone!